Are you looking for ready to take action leads? Did you have a banner year in 2021? Well, we know there's a direct correlation to having enough good leads as well as success in your business. We've developed a system and process that automates ready to take action leads right into your inbox. If you're interested to learn more about our email marketing, LinkedIn marketing, Google marketing, as well as some other channels that we've developed, we would love to talk to you. We're offering a complimentary marketing analysis here at Broker Lead Factory. Let's sit down, look at what you've been doing, what's working, what's not, and then craft a custom plan that will fit your budget so that you can bring automation on your side as well as scale your business and take it to the next level so that when you sit in 2023, you're looking back and you said, man, this was the best year of my business. Let's talk soon.